Hi traders, this is Aftab and you're watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 10th of June 2024 and the week will end on Friday 14th of June 2024. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must have made fantastic profits last week and the week before that and that. So if you follow me this way, I'm so sure enough you will be able to make good profits on a regular basis. So in this weekly forex forecast video, I will try to analyze these different currency pairs in a very easy method because I have received several messages from all of you. The first was that I'm using TradingView and most of the traders are not familiar with that out there, so I have to switch back to the MT4 once again. The second thing is most traders has requested that these analysis and this Fibonacci thing should be a little bit more simple so that new beginner traders who are watching this session for the first time understand that okay, how this whole Fibonacci 61.8% retracement works. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts and I will be hiding the webcam. This drop was expected all the way from up there, and most of you, if you see my videos all the way from the past few months, you will be able to see that this euro US dollar was on a fantastic trend, and in my previous videos what I have told is that this whole area is going to be our 61.8% retracement right here. It worked right here as well, right everyone? It should be very easy for all of you. See, like no sort of rocket science, a very simple ABCD pattern that I work on. And let me change the color of it and let me make it a little bit bold so that you can see easily. So a very simple impulsive wave followed by a very nice 61.8% retracement right here. And if you see a sort of not exact confirmation, but though it was a fantastic ABCD pattern right here with some right here a very fantastic sell, and definitely the market took a very fantastic support all the way from right here. In our past analysis, this was a very fantastic area of support for us, and after that what it did is it again tried to catch this move towards 61.8% retracement, and this time we also got this 61.8% retracement, and now the market seems to be dropping towards another 61.8% retracement, which is right here. So those traders who want to trade it, definitely those who were waiting to sell all the way from 1.0904 and 1.0921, the levels that I discussed previously, so those traders definitely are in good profits now, and Monday onwards I will suggest move your stop to break even and let the market run towards 1.07251 right here. This is euro US dollar, a very fantastic move that is going to happen in the upcoming few days or weeks, I should say. In the next 2 weeks most probably there is a good chance the market is going to be dropping towards this 1.07235, a very nice and fantastic Fibonacci number. Now let me tell you everyone, very simply I want to just give you an example of a Fibonacci. So my main strategy is actually, let's say this market is dropping, we have no sort of idea, let it drop, it started to gain momentum from right here. Okay, that was again normal. After a drop usually the reversal happens. When it came back down, don't you guys think it was a tradable opportunity for most of us with a very fantastic and lucrative risk to reward ratio right here. See a very fantastic one bounce from 61.8% retracement and the other bounce from 61.8% retracement, and here definitely we could identify this whole wave up there. Now imagine those traders who made this much with a risk of around 56 pips almost made around 282 pips, and this is realistic. Most of the traders out there will be commenting most probably, if they are happy with the strategy, that yes, it definitely works. Then again, what happens is, let's have a look at this one, a very nice and fantastic, a simple one right here. Now this is eye-opening for most of the beginner traders as well, and just have a look at it, a 61.8% retracement and obviously a fantastic bounce all the way from right here. So what was difficult in this whole move? Again, it gave several opportunities. This, if we see, then this is a 61.8% retracement right here. Just have a look at it, and an exact 61.8% retracement. This exact level, if we see, this is also a 61.8% retracement. So if you did not make, or any trader who did not make good profits out right here, I think you need to consider reviewing your strategy a little bit, because see, this is a very simple, like I haven't seen the simplest strategy other than this. So this was for an example purposes, and right now if we see, this is on the daily time frame. You all know that I trade daily time frame, and right here we will be deciding near 1.07298 whether we want to become bulls, or if the market drops, in that case I might not be able to trade it unless it drops like this and then it go back up. And right here at 1.07283, I will be then going to take a sell trade all the way towards right here. Now remember, I use for my entries definitely divergence and a divergence strategy with the Fibonacci. But usually honestly, if I tell all of you, these breakout type of trades are not always very nice for me. If I enter right here, yes, there is a fantastic 111 114 pips of profit. Maybe the trend can continue down towards 270 pips as well, but this, when it will be dropping right here, please, I request you, don't try to take a sell trade. Even if it go a little bit down, you will be saying, oh, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. No, my friends, market will always try to retest its broken level, and that's where those traders entered into a rally who missed the rally for some reason, or whom stop losses are hit. Let's suppose most traders will be taking buying positions right here as well, so stops are going to be very tiny right here, and market definitely will be coming back to hit those tight stop losses. Definitely I don't encourage that, and in my strategy I have a proper plan for the stop losses, and I usually try to keep stop losses smaller than my take profits. So euro US dollar, this is a fantastic one. Let's see if we can get this 1.07283 in the upcoming week as a bull, and definitely we can make good profits. And those who took this one already on the basis of this Fibonacci, let me tell you that you can move your stop losses till here or maybe till here, because yes, if the market reverses from right here, then definitely who will like to keep this trade open? Obviously on the H4, if I see, there might be some activity that can happen. I'm not sure about it, but let's suppose if any fresh sellers want to enter into the market, remember 1.0870 approximately near this level, it's going to be a very fantastic sell zone, and this one will have a very smaller stop loss as well. So the situation will look something like this, and obviously with just a stop loss of around 93 pips, easily 146 pips can be generated. Move on to the pound dollar. Definitely in the previous weeks we have got buying opportunities right here. But my main thing and the thing that I discussed and the concept that I discussed last week is that this is a very sure sell area, and result is right here in front of us. 97 pips drop was expected on this Friday, so it did give us that move. Now let's have a look at it on the H4 a little bit as well, because definitely there are a lot of the traders who want to trade it for the future. So right here definitely the market was dropping. I'm not going into the detail of this drop, but when we saw this up wave, and right here we have got a very fantastic support zone already established, started from right here, and also the market never respected here. So just have a look at it. 126 pip once, then 170 pips again, and just don't count this, just have a look at it. 376 pips this. Then there is a tiny Fibonacci trade as well right here, just have a look at it. But when it gave a close up of this 0% Fibonacci zone, then it definitely was a fantastic buying opportunity. Then let's say those traders who missed this rally, there was another rally right here, and I'm sure most of the traders must have got it. I discussed it already in my videos, and just have a look at it. A completion and a profit of around 108 pips. So what's next for the pound dollar? I'm sure 500-600 you guys must have made, because these H4 and daily time frame gives a lot of the profit. So right here if you see a very simple impulsive leg we have right here, and obviously this story from where it started, it again is trying to come back and wind up right here near this 1.2505 level. So the buy position that we are holding from this 1.22 if I show you the pattern, and if we see it like this, a 61.8% retracement right here. And obviously according to this, for a very longer term, it is suggesting an up move towards that 1.31, but I will be discussing that later. Market is not going there this much far. So right here what it is going to do, and this is going to be a fantastic level for us. So let me delete this and let's focus on this 1.2499 level. The buy positions that we took from 1.23000 without a single pip of a drawdown, market gave us 521 pips. Congratulations everyone, and thank you so much for your feedback as well. So as now the market is dropping towards 1.24995, it can be a very fantastic opportunity to look for the sell side on the H4. If you know the Fibonacci strategy, I already explained, and definitely right here we will be again waiting for the market to give us something on the buy side, so that we can also make profit from there as well. See, Fibonacci works at each and every point. This is on our behalf, that how much focus we want to give to these charts. Remember, this past data will always be giving a lot of information to all of you, and to every client I always suggest to just pay close attention to your back testing. And yes, those who do, they make very nice and awesome profits. This is my WhatsApp number, so in case if someone is interested to get the premium services, can contact me. And if you think you cannot make it good in forex, or you think that you know everything but you need someone that who can give you advices, then definitely this course will be, and it is actually designed for all of you who cannot make this simple strategy works nicely for you. Anyways, moving on to the crude oil, and what I said last week is that there is a very fantastic break of structure going to occur. And how I said it, just have a look at it. See, like this one and this we have got on 29th of May 2024, and this was the confirmation. So a fantastic drop of 670 pips on the WTI crude oil my strategy gave us. Now what else do you guys want? Then those, to those of the traders who are asking me in the comment section, hey Aftab, you are not giving us enough knowledge. How much knowledge should I give you? Just have a look at it. A very fantastic trade that I give you, 712 pips on the gold. It worked fantastically. If I show you, so just give me some time, I will be explaining that. But just have a look at this, a fantastic one. So let's see, this story is going to be resetted right here, and we cannot remember, as a forex traders, we can never ever ignore any type of support or resistance levels. Just have a look at it. This is, as I said, that everything is built in these charts. What you need to do is you have to dig out and find out that opportunity for yourself. Just have a look at it. Isn't it a very fantastic support? It is. How was it confirmed? It was confirmed with a very strong breakout, then a retest as well. This same level gave fantastic profits as well. Then again same situation, right here, market rally up, then gave a correction and continue back up. Make sure to check out my videos in November and October and December that I did on my crude oil. So made good profits, and 86.950 was the exact level. Oh, I should have added those videos right here in which I said this is going to happen, and it did, and then it also gave this much profit. But what we need to do is we need to understand the charts, and not just the chart but simple these levels. No rocket science, nothing. Moving on to the gold US dollar, well, I will prefer that it requires a lot of explanation. So for now the sellers right here are in charge, and as I said last week that market is going to drop from this 2380 level. So it went approximately towards 2387, but still it's okay. It was not a very big drawdown, and resulting in a very fantastic drop towards 972 pips. Now guys, what else do you want? This is my strategy, giving you fantastic profits on regular basis. And now most of the investors eyes are on 2160.26, from where we took these buying positions. Then we close some partial right here, then some at the double top up there. Then I took a sell position, the stop loss was hit, then it dropped, I made nothing, then it reversed, and then caught this particular trade. So 2160.26. Let's see how much time do I have. Sorry for the background noise, there is a very tiny kitten that I have rescued. Me and my son have rescued 2-3 weeks ago, so that's making trouble in my studio. But sometimes while looking into these charts, having a pet like a kitten, usually it's a very good experience. Anyways, let's see the time. I still have around 4 minutes, so let's see the dollar CAD. What did I say last week? What did I say? Do you guys remember? Dollar CAD, as it was taking this Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, and it successfully did all the way from right here. Just have a look at it. Even if we pick it from here, from here, from here, even from here, even from here. And let me also tell you that I was also waiting to take a buy position near 1.33158, but I couldn't took it. I couldn't took it from right here, but I could manage to take it from right here, take it from right here, several positions. Everyone, if you count, is full of profits, but I'm still not sure why you guys are not making profits. It makes me sometimes a bit angry that why the traders are just flushing their money right here in this market without knowing that what's actually going on. These are simple levels and you have to understand them just like you understand any other technique, tool, or just like you learn some other skill. So this is a skill. So right here, a fantastic Fibonacci, the current one right here, if we can see, let's pick it from right here and see 61.8% retracement. How much profit it gave? 149 pips. Right here, when I was giving you this sell, why I identified this as a sell? I didn't tell anyone to sell it right here other than my client, but what I said, this is 1.38390 is going to be the support, and it is 251 pips the market gave again, and now market is finally on this ABCD pattern. You can check back my previous videos where I have identified 1.40. So dollar seems to be going 1.40 dollar CAD, I mean dollar against the CAD. So let's see, and this support is going to be saving it. So let's see if we get a master type of double top up there, then definitely right here this whole downward rally I can enjoy. Personally, if I tell you, I'm not interested in this bullish because market is already trading near the resistance zone. So why would someone risk near the resistance zone on a buy? So personally, I'm not interested in it. What I am interested in it is that if something happens and if the market drops right here, I am going to be adding more positions, because partial positions that I took from right here I closed right here, and the partial positions when it was dropping against me, obviously there were some emotions, so partial emotions I managed them and I try to make further buying till here, but obviously some positions were closed, so nothing can be done about that. So this is the dollar yen. Oh, again the kitten is making trouble, but anyways, so dollar yen dropped from 157.657. well, that was fantastic, and it will be coming back down a little bit further. So let's see, every instrument has created fantastic moves. Some of them will be following it, some of them will not be following it. So I highly recommend every one of you to pay close attention to, like always pay close attention to these charts and every move. This is a very simple market, but if someone want to make it complicated for themselves, can make a complete hell right here. So anyways, this was a weekly forex forecast video, and I hope you will be giving me your likes, and you will be giving me your comments, you will be giving me your suggestions, feedbacks regarding the channel. And if you are someone who wants some assistance or some guidance, let me hide this camera again. This is my WhatsApp number, you can check back, you can text me on this WhatsApp number, and definitely I will be getting back to you and solving your problems, plus anyone's who wants to take mentorship may definitely contact me. So thank you so much everyone for being here with me. I wish you a very good luck for your bright future in the forex market. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.